Quite a while back, the castor bean plant was alluded to as a Palma Christe because of the state of its leaves, which was accepted to look like the palm of Christ. Today's video will discuss how to use castor oil to speed up healing and to quickly boost immunity. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Castor oil is gotten from its seeds and it has been utilized as a solution for a huge number of years by society healers. The antiquated Egyptians utilized it as a characteristic healthy skin item and to treat eye disturbances. It has likewise been regularly used as a part of Ayurvedic drug because of its recuperating antibacterial and stomach-related alleviating properties. Guardians frequently offered it to their kids as a powerful insusceptibilities boosting cure. This oil has been generally used to battle blockage, treat skin contaminations, and enhance nerve well-being. However, things about have demonstrated that it adequately underpins the insusceptible framework as it leaves white platelets and Jacob T11 cells deliver inside the body's lymphocytes that battle microscopic organism infections, growth, and tumor cells. Synthetically, castor oil has delegated a kind of triglyceride unsaturated fat, and around 90% of its unsaturated fat substances is one uncommon compound known as resemble corrosive. It additionally contains some useful salt and esters that principally renew the skin. In 2002, the International Journal of Toxicology details that castor oil and hydrogenated castor oil were utilized as a part of 769 and 202 restorative items individually. Being an unsaturated fat, resemble corrosive has various mending qualities as text after. Since it underpins the lymphatic framework, it successfully reinforces in vulnerability as the lymphatic framework is spread all through the entire body in little tubular structures and is assimilates and dispenses with all abundant liquids, protein, and waste material from cells. Linked up inside their stereospin as characteristic channels for poisons, and they direct out antibodies on account of medical problems with a specific end goal to cells from remote protein or microorganisms. In the event that the capacity of the lymphatic framework is blocked, it promotes different issues similar to disappointment or various solid cell and conceivably degenerations and devastations of organs. The lymphatic framework likewise assimilates waiting for a fat atoms inside the small digestive tract. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.